Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Recall Report screen. The Recall Report serves to filter patients and determine whether they should revisit the practice. Through this report, you can communicate via SMS or email to patients, advising them of the benefits of scheduling an appointment. This proactive measure aids in monitoring and managing patients' health, particularly those with chronic conditions or ongoing medical concerns. Dentists and physiotherapists find value in utilizing this report to ensure patients are informed about when they should return for additional treatments and checkups. In this video, we will start on the switch history screen. Click on the CRM tab. The Build Bulk Email SMS screen will open. From here, click on the Recall Report tab, which will open the Recall Report screen. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections displayed on the screen. You are able to utilize the filter section to narrow down or refine the results displayed on the report screen. The default filter will show you the type of filter that is being utilized. Enter the personal details of the debtor or patient to filter the report list accordingly. The debtor account identifier refers to the account number of the debtor who is responsible for the patient's account. Document number is the documentation number linked to a posted invoice. Patient file number refers to the identifying number that is associated with the patient's hard copy file. Filter the list according to the birth dates by clicking on the patient date of birth from and to fields and selecting the applicable dates from the date picker. Please note that the birth date can be entered manually in year, month, date format. Click on the debtor status drop-down menu to select the relevant debtor status of the patients you are looking for. Please note that the debtor statuses are customizable to the needs of the practice. For more information regarding how to set up data statuses, please refer to the Data Status List user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Gender drop-down menu and select the applicable option. The Patient Active slider will indicate whether the patients on the list are either active or inactive. Click on the Treating Practitioner field and select the name of the practitioner who treated the patient. Click on the ICD-10 codes field and search for patients based on the ICD-10 codes that were allocated to them on their previous booking. Click on the Procedure field and search for patients based on the billing codes that they were invoiced on their last booking. Filter according to booking date by clicking on the Booking Date From and To field and selecting the applicable dates from the date picker. Once done, click on the Update Results button. To reset all the filters, click on the Reset Filters button. We will briefly go over the list screen buttons located on the top right of the list. Click on the Select All Results button to select all the results currently displayed on the list. Click on the Expand Widths button to auto-fit the columns width to the information within all columns. Click on the Reset Widths button to restore the original widths after any modifications were done. Click on the Sort Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. For more information regarding how the Sort Columns feature works, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Report and the Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Columns button to select the columns that will be displayed on the list. For more information regarding how the Choose Column feature works, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. All the information on the report screen is divided into columns to logically group related information together. From the list, select the desired patients by ticking the checkbox in their respective rows. Next, click on the Sidebar Expander. The Recall Report sidebar will open. Within the Recall Report sidebar, you are able to perform bulk actions such as sending SMSs, emails, making VoIP calls, and so much more. Please note that the VoIP call feature will need to be set up first before it can be utilized by the practice. For more information regarding the configuration of the VoIP feature, please refer to the VoIP settings, navigation and use, as well as the entity setup user manuals linked in this video's description. To navigate to the next or previous page, click on the previous or next arrow buttons. Alternatively, click on the page number to navigate to the desired page. Click on the Items drop-down menu and select the number of items that you want to be displayed on the screen. Click on the Export to PDF button to save the report as a PDF file. Click on the Export to CSV button to save the report in a CSV format.